First, we're going to press on the head, and then we're going to press the middle tab, and then we're going to press the edit texture right there and open up the 2D view. So now we have our 2D view and our 3D view. So we're actually going to start off with the side of the head first. So I got this picture from the internet. I just looked up like hair texture HD or something, and we're just basically gonna curve it to make it fit like it's going around the head. Okay, so now I'm just gonna erase like what I don't need. Okay, so now you need to add a layer in your 2D view to merge down, or it won't merge. So now I'm just gonna do that for the other side of the head as well, but also I'm gonna keep checking my 2D view. And so for some reason, like it won't go right on the head sometimes, so just close your 2D view and reopen your 2D view. So now it merged down and stuff, but I have to clean it up, of course. So I'm more worried about getting half of the head done right, because we can always duplicate that layer and then flip it over for the other side. So we're just gonna work on one side for now, and then we're gonna flip it after. So just turn your head down more like this, I suggest, because like if you put it flat like the way I had it, it won't cover the top of the head. So now I'm just gonna like fit it more onto the head, curve it more like it's going down. So now I'm just gonna add a layer, and then I'm going to merge it down. And usually after you merge it, it's supposed to like show on the 2D view. So just make sure you have a layer that it can merge into in your 2D view. So now it's merged on, but I have to clean it up a lot. So I'm gonna erase on the ears. Now it's on of the head. It's on the head. It's not a separate layer. Only in the 2D view it is a separate layer. So I'm just gonna keep erasing what I don't want all around the sides of the head, and like try to make it straight down so that we could flip it and it could be even. Then for the back of the head, I'm just gonna take that same picture and curve it around the head as well. The same thing you do on the sides of the head, you're going to do on the back of the head. So you want to keep checking your 2D view as well when you're working on this. Again with the head, like try to tilt it a little bit back so you can see the top of the head so that it can cover the top of the head, or it will just be covering the back. Now I'm just filling it in with a little bit of color in the back of the ear so it's not like a big hole. And then like smoothing it out, like blurring the edges out so it's not so harsh. So I already had merged that picture onto here. And now you're going to want to go to your 2D view and you're going to duplicate that layer, and then you're going to flip it horizontally and then just clean it up a bit in your 2D. Sometimes it won't show automatically on the 3D. So basically I just saved what I worked on as a PNG with the transparent background, and now I just reopened the Genus dev kit, and I'm gonna just replace the texture like how you would usually do it. When you edit the texture, you just add a different texture. So now it's gray, but it's gonna change right now because I added the picture I worked on, my texture I worked on with the transparent background. So you don't really need like the face and stuff, but yeah. So now we're gonna work on the front of the head. And make sure you keep your 2D open and your 3D open. So now we're going to do the front of the head. So I found this picture on like a wig site. It's not the best picture, like, but it's hard to find really good ones like this with the baby hair. So I'm just gonna erase what I don't want. So basically right here I'm just changing the curves and the colors, but like my tabs are not showing up. That's why you see my mouse going up there and then nothing's happening. Like I'm touching stuff, but I don't know why it's not recording. But I was just changing the colors of the front of the hair so it can match and blend in more. And this isn't the best picture, it really isn't. But I was really looking for a while for like something decent. Just stretch it a little bit more and then erase like some of the sides because you don't want to overlapping the hair texture you already put on the sides of the head. Or if you do overlap it, you want to blend it out. So I merged it down there, but I don't like how the side looks, so I'm gonna like try to clean it up a bit. And also I like to go to the 2D view and edit it as well. But just like clean it up. It's noticeable right there, but we'll fix it after in the 2D view. So now we're in the 2D view and you see like it's faded some areas, so I'm just going and filling it in the background. And sometimes like when you upload, like there'll be like a white line in the head. So like cover like everything like in the back. Like make sure like everything's filled in correctly like to the UV. Okay, so I'm just touching it up a bit. I should really clean it up more, but I'm just trying to show you the process. I'm not trying to sell this. So I just opened the Genius thing again just to preview the texture. So basically, I'm just uploading it to Second Life how we usually would do it. And that's basically how you make a hair base. I'm just trying hairs on, but obviously it's not perfect. But I ain't selling it, so that's not my business.